Okay, so we're now going to talk about property number 4. This was beautiful. I mean, just driving in, it was right off of Dove. I remember we drove in a long driveway. There was a beautiful pond. There was a stream, and then this great ranch home. And we saw the horses, and I got a selfie with the little pony. So tell us a little bit more about that particular home and what people can do to buy that.
Sure. As I had stated earlier, we were in the northern part of Southlake. So what I mean by that is we're north of 114. It's kind of 114 cuts across the middle of town from northwest to southeast going towards the DFW Airport. So we're on the north side of town, and that's where you're going to find more properties that have bigger pieces of land. That particular property had 4.185 acres. And it did have a fairly large pond on it. And so it was a beautiful setting to have that much water that the home was built right next to. So, in fact, I believe the master bedroom is on that side of the home. So when you wake up in the morning, you get to look out your window and you see this beautiful pond. And it's a great setting, very tranquil. And we do allow horses on an acre or more in the city of Southlake. Now that depends if you're in a subdivision. If the subdivision allows it, that's also something you need to consider, and I can certainly answer those questions for you. But this particular piece of property was not in a subdivision. It was a standalone piece of property, 4 acres, a little bit more than 4 acres. And so there was plenty of room for your equestrian estate. And so that home would make a great estate property, actually. The home that was there was built in 1985. It is quite large. It's 3,800 square feet, but it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So you could potentially either add on to that home, or you could scrape that property and build a new home on there. And so, these acreages of that size are getting harder and harder to find that are available for purchase. So, but there are more of those on the north side than they are on the south side of Southlake. So, anyway, that's a great property if you're interested in building an estate, and I'd certainly be glad to get you into it to see it.